Hello guys, it's me Mark. Hello guys, it's me Mark. My mom's like basically buying a new phone since her old phone was stuff. Yeah. She's gonna get a new iPhone. Alright. Anyway, yeah. And hold up, let me just go here. Yeah, there. Yeah, my mom's gonna buy it now. Yay! Yeah, my mom's gonna buy like a new iPhone.
Yung anong kulay nga yan? 2.5. Oh, yan.
Kano to ni?
Meron siya sa bahay.
Iba daw to eh. 2x2 daw to eh.
Anong 2x2?
Can you check please?
2x2. You want that one? There is in the house. Take it.
Guys, yeah, my mom's gonna buy a new iPhone.
038
Again.
5. Tapos yung isa, magkano po na? 200 to lahat. Dalawang 100. 100 lang. Yung isa, 405, 138, 038, 842, 5.
You are collecting this one? Huh? You are collecting this?
Yes.
Small gifts are but yeah, I'll give you 500. Nah.
I will be doing.
Exactly. And then I'm not sure about this because I get the mountain. No, either on the road or both. And we don't even get remote back.
Ma'am, ang warranty nito, resibo lang. Okay.
Unboxing smell like new iPhone, no? Dali na.
Open, nice. Maybe you are having honor on your...
Oh, meron nga.
Matalino. Dessert. Dessert naman.
Dali na.
Bilhan mo na lang sarili niyang adapter, ma'am, kasi yung gamitin mo sa Mac. Okay lang, hindi naman laging ginagamit ko. It's done na. Ate will be back. Kakababagsak mo bago pa lang.
Oh.
Tablet nito.
Congrats, Pelric boy.
Congratulations. Sana.
Kaya talaga yun, ma?
Ayaw maniwala. Ayaw nga, mami. Kasi dito kahit yung mga ibang binibilang nila 16 eh. Ikaw naka 12 Pro lang ako.
Ako nga, Honor X9B lang eh.
Ako Samsung. Ay, patayo ng bato. Puro taong ka na. How old are you? Turning 10. Jessica, turning 10 pa lang siya. Naka 16 Pro Max na. Saan ka pa?
Happy?
What games you will download here? Roblox.
Wait. Oh, wait. The games in the next one.
Galing ilagay, no? May ano. Even you can put this one. See?
Ganun lang pala paglagay nun eh.
Bibigay na uli ate yan. Magic.
Pati yung H dyan, ma'am, meron na rin. Cover yan pati yung H. Ayan.
Ano po?
Hindi yung sides lahat.
Mahalin mo. Avoid mo lang din yung iba yung oral na dali. Isa siya yung happy-happy siya. Iba rin naman mga ito. Siyempre, nagdala yung camera.
Ilang years warranty yan? 5 years ba, ma'am? 4 years.
1 year international for 3 years local ba?
Kailan lang start nung ano yun?
Mismo sir.
Yung 1 year o after 3 years matapos yung... Kasi local, nandito kami local eh.
1 year sir.
Di pa epekyum.
Ano, ulog mo?
Wow.
Sana all. Sabi niya. Ay, hindi niya alam.
I-unbox mo na lang uli nak later sa house, okay?
Ano yun? Hope on. May English natin. May English na. Mga bata ngayon, ano na yun?
What you going to say to ate?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations. Ay, pwede ko mag